Hello everyone, again, this is Sergio Pinto, the sales manager of NEXT-ProAudio Group, and we are here at ISE 2023 showing very new and exciting products. At NEXT-ProAudio.com we are presenting the new AD500, which is a 4x 125 watts Class D multi-purpose installation amplifier with flexible power distribution among its 4 output channels, power sharing up to 250 watts per channel, driving both conventional low impedance between 4 and 60 ohms and loudspeakers, and high impedance 70 volts 100 volts transformer, coupled loudspeakers, or any mix of the two. Don't forget to visit us at NEXT-ProAudio Group website www.nextaudioGroup.com.